This is a handheld phone video showing two bright red luminous lights hovering low on the horizon over a sparsely populated location in the northeastern United States. The clip was recorded by an eyewitness on an iPhone 12 Pro in March 2022 at about 1920 local time and later provided to the Federal Bureau of Investigation. The material was made public on June 12, 2026 by the FBI under the Pursue Release program. According to the eyewitness statements summarized by the FBI, both lights maintained generally stationary positions for the duration of the encounter at an estimated distance of roughly 2,500 feet. The lower light slowly rotated relative to the upper light, shifting from an apparent 6 o'clock position to slightly beyond an apparent 9 o'clock position while the pair otherwise held their bearing. The observer reported no audible noise from the sources. The FBI assesses the reporting individual as highly credible and notes that multiple files and video items correspond to reports originating from the same general area in the northeastern United States. The witness said the recording location was well known to them and sparsely inhabited, a detail the Bureau includes when characterizing line of sight and distance estimates. What makes this footage notable is the juxtaposition of two distinct luminous sources that remain fixed in the sky, yet exhibit measurable relative motion between them. That slow rotational relationship is a descriptive detail investigators highlighted, because it differs from simple passing lights or short-lived flashes, and because it was captured on a consumer phone camera without additional instrumentation. The imagery here is limited by the single perspective and by the optical constraints of nighttime mobile imaging. Color, apparent motion, and the sequence of frames are useful, but without simultaneous radar or multiple independent sensors, the recording does not by itself establish a definitive explanation. This clip is part of a cluster of reports the FBI has associated with the same region, assembled to help analysts compare witness descriptions, locations, and any overlapping recordings. Investigators use details like relative motion, color, and the witness location to cross-check other reports and any available environmental data, but the public file notes no independent radar or acoustic detections linked to this sighting. The FBI included the eyewitness assessment and the grouping of related reports to help analysts prioritize follow-up and to provide context for comparing separate recordings from the same region. Explore the case file, related footage and sighting reports, and our weekly UAP News podcast at uapdrop.com.